Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best roller skates that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. PAPAISON Adjustable Inline Skates for Kids and Adults. PAPAISON inline skates successfully secured its position in our list. This roller skate is 100% adjustable, designed for kids and men. In each pair of these skates, you will get 8 wheels, 4 wheels *2. The best thing about PAPAISON inline skates is that it comes with 3 protection systems which protect you from injuries. Another best thing about PAPAISON inline skates is that they come with free matching socks that are breathable and have anti-friction features. At number 4. Impala Rollerskates Girls Impala Quad Skate. MPALA roller skates are PETA-approved roller skates that also come with large front brakes, ensuring safe skating. Manufacturers made these skates from aluminum alloy truck material, which is durable and long-lasting for years. Additionally, manufacturers use PVC material while making the upper sole and heels. Our skates are made from high-quality components, so you can feel good skating the streets or rink with your girl gang. At number 3. Chicago Women's Classic Roller Skates. They wouldn't be classic quad skates without featuring a large front brake, perfect for quick starts or sudden stops, high quality, and reliable. Chicago Women's Classic Roller Skates are human-made roller skates that come with a sizable front brake. Thus large front brakes ensure safe skating throughout the time. The athletic style boosts the look of Chicago Women's Classic skates and helps you stand in a crowd. It comes with large front brakes. This skate comes with an athletic style. At number 2. Stemax Quad Roller Skates for Girls and Women. Stemax quad skates are classic quad skates that are comfortable and safe to ride. Manufacturers made this skate from durable material that looks elegant and can be used indoors and rink skating outdoors. This skate is more fantastic for beginners, where you can adjust the wheel to a much looser option, It makes this shoe flexible. Comfort and adjustability are big factors when it comes to roller skating. A major benefit of the Stemax roller skates for boys and girls is the ergonomic material they are made of, which makes them extremely comfortable. Finally, at number 1. Roller Derby Cruze XR Hightop Women's Roller Skates. What better than buying traditional yet modern and stylish boot skates? This skate comes with reinforced ankle support. Roller Derby Cruze also comes with lightning cushioned felt link, which lets you comfort and maintains moisture level. Don't stress out, these skates come with modern laces and hooks. This roller coaster has an aluminum chassis with a jump bar. Roller Derby Cruze also has 60mm *32mm size wheels that are great for any surface. Manufacturers believe in this product and provide you the trust of stability and comfortability. Manufacturers made the bearing from carbon material, which makes these shoes lightweight and highly durable. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.